In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an n8n account. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll have your own n8n account all set up and ready to use. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to head over to the n8n Cloud Signup page. This is where you'll be able to register for your new account. You can find this page by entering the URL or simply doing a quick search for n8n Cloud Signup in your preferred search engine. Once you're there, you'll see a registration form that you'll need to complete. Next, it's time to enter some essential details to create your account. Start by filling in your full name. This information is straightforward, but it's important to make sure that it's spelled correctly, as this will be the name associated with your account. Right below that, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure you're using a valid email, as this is how n8n will communicate with you, whether it's for verification, updates, or notifications. Now let's move on to creating a secure password. A strong password should ideally be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, enhancing your account's security. Remember, this password is crucial as it protects your workflow and data. So choose one that's both memorable and hard to guess. After setting up your password, you'll be asked to specify a workspace name. This name is quite significant because it becomes part of your unique 8n URL. For example, if you choose your workspace as the name, your URL will look something like https your workspace.app n8n cloud. It's a good idea to pick a name that reflects the purpose of your workspace or something easily identifiable to you and any team members who might be involved. Once you've entered all these details, it's important to review them for accuracy before moving on. A simple mistake like a typo in your email address can lead to issues later, such as not receiving important notifications or being unable to reset your password. Double-check each field to ensure everything is correct. The final step in this registration process is to read and accept the terms and conditions. This is a standard practice with most online services, and it's important to understand what you're agreeing to. There should be a link or checkbox to accept these terms, so make sure you've read through them and click the Accept button to proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your n8n account. Now you can start exploring all the features and tools that n8n offers to automate your workflows. Thank you for watching and enjoy building with n8n.